yesterday, and right now I have the time to unbox them. So bear with me, guys. First, in the line is the Obebe sterilizer. So, okay, I'm gonna open. So guys, this sterilizer can hold up to or can disinfect 6 bottles. This sterilizer can be used for sterilizing the bottles for 6 minutes. So here it is, guys. Ayan. This is a big sterilizer. So, yeah. It keeps away the bacteria for 3 hours. And then it has accessories with plastic tampon, and it has also a program of auto shutdown. So I baliktad siya, guys. Yeah, this one. So ganun. Basta ganun siya, guys. Yan. May ganun pa. Ayan. Tapos, ito dito. Ay, ito. Yan. Yan siya. Ganun lang. So, aside muna natin ang mga ito. Ito. Dito nakalagay yung mga tips or ano, kahit anong anything regards sa pwede natin i-sterilize yung maliliit, the smaller one can be put on the top. Dito naman in the bottom is the bottles. So this is it. Ayan. It's fixed, guys. So yeah. This is the on and off. Yeah. Okay, we're done with our first unboxing of the sterilizer. So we're gonna put so next on the line we have this one, smaller package, again from Amazon. So bakit ako why did I purchase some of the items in Amazon online? It's because they are cheaper, guys, compared to the malls or to the shops. Gusto nyo nakikita natin yung mga items na liquid. So, this, guys. So, this one, guys, is the, ayan, baby bottle warmer. Okay, ito, maliit na siya, guys. And super cute niya. So this one I purchased for only I think 100 dirhams. Some of the what do you call this? Other brands that are very expensive, like they could cost 300 or 400 dirhams. But this one is only 100 dirhams, guys. This is sale. Actually, the original price of this one I saw in before it was sale. It was 150 or 200. Some of the stores sell them as 200, but I got it only for 200 dirhams. But it was a very last minute sale from Amazon. So this, guys, is a baby bottle warmer, including you could heat also your food here, and it is also used for sterilization. So it has 3 purposes. It could be, that's what I've said. But however, I just bought this one, the bigger one, because I have a lot of items of the baby to sterilize, and as well as my pump. So I need this one, bigger one. So this is the bubble tea. Okay, and inside here is we have the user manual. This is very important, guys. First thing you need to know or you need to do is you need to read the manual before you use any products. Like it will function well and will not be hindi natin masisira. Okay. So it has tongs. Included here are tongs and some. I think this one is for cleaner. Yeah. So we're gonna set aside the back. So anyway, guys, some of these items can be after you have your baby or you don't want to have plans have baby again. You could sell them online or to barter into the things that you want. So here it is, guys. So yeah, so the inside is like that, and this one is we're gonna put like this only. So I think could fit 2 bottles. So right now my pack, I purchased also oven bottles, but not yet shipped. So real bubble. So this one you could set it here. There is a dial here where you can set what you want. So if you want to warm the milk here and heat the food, or you want to sterilize. So I'm not gonna test this out because I have not yet purchased some of the bottles or some of the items for sterilization and for heating up milk or any kind of food. So I don't have that yet, so I'm not gonna test this out, but I'm just wanna this is only for unboxing, guys. So this one is done. We're done with this one. So this is very affordable, guys. You don't need to buy expensive stuff for this only. So because the money could be saved or could buy another important things. So here we have the very this one is very heavy. So I'm not gonna put this in the table here only, and then I'm gonna just open it here. And I'm just gonna show it to you and put it here in the top of the table. And yeah, this is from Amazon also. They came early yesterday. Yeah. So we have here are I think the toiletries. Okay. Wow, this one first. Charan! Yan. This one you can see. This is Baby Johnson Cotton Touch 2-in-1 wash. Wherein you could, if you want to bath your baby, this one you could use it for his bathing or for keeping sponge bath. Yeah. So it has a free. This is a 500 ml, I think, bottle wash. This is very recommended for newborn, actually, because it's cotton touch is not sensitive. Because the skin of the newborn are very sensitive, so they did this type of products like the Johnson Cotton Touch. So it's specific for newborn babies. So this one, guys. So this one is 500 ml. So you can see, and it has a free. Stuffed toy. Yeah. The baby will very like it. So it is clinically proven suitable for newborn skin, free from parabens and dyes and alcohol. So I like the packaging, guys. This is a free gift. So I'm not gonna. Okay, we're done with this one. We're gonna put this one back. So this one, another, guys, is from Amazon, and I think this is the is the Cotton Touch Face and Body Lotion. So this is also recommended for babies, suitable for the skin of newborn, actually. Yeah, Cotton Touch. So this is the brand Johnson's, and it's specific to Cotton Touch if you want to buy your newborn some products for their skin and for bathing. Lotion, moisturizing. You need to moisturize the skin of the baby. So next, I have here is this one, the OMO. Ano ba? This one costs 36 dirhams, including the soap for newborns. This is for sensitive skin, the OMO, 4 kilogram, and then we have the concentrate fiber conditioner. Yeah. So the baby skin is very sensitive and it's very soft. So we need this one, fabric conditioner. This is comfort for baby. So we're gonna be expired on May 2021, May 5. So yeah, still can be used. Okay. So guys, this is all the items that I have got from my package from Amazon. And thank you guys. So anyway guys, next video, I'm gonna unbox some of the items that some of the clothing of my baby. Yeah, so all are there guys. So thank you guys for watching, and then please support my channel. Don't forget to subscribe.